So today we are going to be talking about our 3 different stains, starting with the simple stain. So you guys should have hopefully 6 smears done. So I have a dried heat fix smear here. I have it resting on my slide holder with my box. And for the simple stain, all you're going to need is crystal violet. And the simple stain is going to tell us the shape of our bacteria. So if you remember, we're going to have 3 shapes. It's either going to be the spherical coccus shape, it's going to be the rod-shaped bacillus, or it's going to be the spirillum. So for the simple stain, all you have to do is put your crystal violet on your slide, just like 2 or 3 drops, just enough to cover the smear. You're going to let it sit anywhere from 1 to 4 minutes. I would say probably 2.5 is good enough. So we can pretend that this sat here for long enough. And then all you're going to do is take your water. I'm going to rinse it off. Very nice. And you can just blot it dry and use it. I have one already made right here. So you can see on the slide, I have my purple stain. I can put this right under a microscope. I don't need a cover slip. I don't need anything. I literally can put this under a microscope with oil on it, and I can tell the shape of my bacteria. The second one we're going to be doing, let me rinse this off here and get a new slide. All right, so I have another heat fix slide here on my tray. And for this one, I'm going to need iodine, and I'm going to need alcohol, and I am going to need crystal violet and safranin. So essentially I'm going to need all of them. So hold on, I lost my safranin. 1 minute. All right, sorry, lost my safranin. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to start again with my crystal violet, and I'm going to cover my slide with crystal violet. I'm going to wait 60 seconds. So waiting 60 seconds. I'm going to rinse off my slide. I don't need to dry it, just need to rinse it off. I'm going to cover it with my iodine. There we go. I'm going to wait 60 seconds again. Rinse it off. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my alcohol, and I'm going to hold my slide at a slant, and I'm going to just let the alcohol run down my slide. And this is decolorizing it. Immediately after doing that, I want to rinse it again with my water, because you don't want to over decolorize it, or you're going to wash away any type of color at all. After that, I'm going to take my safranin and put it on there and wait another 60 seconds. 60 seconds has gone by, sure. And I'm going to take my water and rinse it again. Gram stain is going to tell us the thickness of the cell wall of the bacteria. It's going to tell us, so I have my gram stain here, one that's already done. So it's going to tell us if it has peptidoglycan in it, the thickness of the cell wall, and you're going to get a result that's either gram positive or gram negative. Gram positive bacteria is going to be purple under the microscope, and gram negative bacteria is going to be pink under the microscope. You're looking for the actual bacteria cells. You're not going to pay attention to like the surroundings. The surrounding on the slide, when you look under a microscope, might be all purple because we put so much purple on it. But you're looking for the bacterial cells themselves. Are they pink or are they purple? Now, it is possible that you'll have pink and purple cells, and that's actually a result called gram variable. So when we're doing this, we're looking for purple, pink, or both. So we have positive, negative, or gram variable. And I hope that's helpful.